What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video of Custom ROM. In this video we'll be taking a look at latest build of CrDroid based on Android 12 for Oneplus 7 series. And trust me guys, this is one of the best Android 12 custom ROM with lot many customization options. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Oneplus 7 Pro on which I've installed this custom ROM called CrDroid based on Android 12. Let's talk about the software information first. CrDroid version is 8.2 which comes with 5th Feb 2022 security patch. I've been using this custom ROM since yesterday and till now I haven't found any kind of issues on this custom ROM. And guys, as always, let's keep a like target of 400 likes on this video, and we also have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So as said, I have been running this custom ROM on my Oneplus 7 Pro since yesterday, and today morning I received an OTA update of this custom ROM wherein the size was around 1 GB, and you guys don't have to flash it manually, everything will be taken care by system update. So just go to settings, system, under updater, here you will get all the OTA updates of CrDroid. So this is the latest OTA update which I received. As you can see the date which says Feb 2022. If you guys wish to install this CrDroid on your Oneplus 7 series, then I'll do mention manual guide in the description below, or you can find the manual guide under the same URL of this custom ROM. And as we have been continuously testing custom ROM, now most users also want stock applications from Oneplus, so we have made a video on that. You can download the stock Oneplus applications and install them on any custom ROM. And if you guys wish to anytime go back to the stock OS, you can just follow the video which is on your screen right now. Okay, so now let's talk about the benchmark results on this ROM. So with the Geekbench application, single core had scored 720 and multi-core had scored 2732. With Antutu benchmark application, device had scored 5,60,524. We also did CPU throttling on this custom ROM where you can see average gips were quite high and CPU max throttled up to 91%. And the graph was well maintained, so I don't think you guys gonna have any kind of issues related to the performance part. Now let's clear out all the basic functionalities. So calling have no issues, VoLTE works fine. With this specific app, you can also record calls without pre-announcements. Also had no issues with the Wi-Fi calling. Bluetooth was great. I did not face any kind of disconnection issues while using Bluetooth on my Oneplus 7 Pro running CrDroid. Alert slider does its job as expected, and fingerprint unlock is also quite faster, similar to Oxygen OS. No delays noticed while charging the device using stock charger, and the battery backup was also quite good, wherein screen on time was 3 hours and 48 minutes. This is the initial cycle in which I had also done benchmark testing and CPU throttling. So quite a good battery backup which I got on CrDroid. Now let's talk about the Widevine certification. So here you can see on my device Widevine security level is L1, so I won't have any kind of issues watching full HD content on OTT platforms. Device also passes through safety net check. As you can see here, CTS profile match, it says pass. So there won't be any kind of problems using payment services. Though I personally tried out Google Pay, and for me Google Pay works fine. Also guys, we get basic AOSP camera. Basically this application I never use. I have my Oneplus 7 Pro. For Oneplus 7 Pro, I do have a stock Oxygen OS camera from OnePlus, and that works pretty much great on any custom ROM. So this camera app is basically for Oneplus 7 Pro. Other Oneplus 7 series users can try out Google Camera. And now let's go inside the settings and let me show you the customization options present on this custom ROM. So here in the settings panel we have stock Oneplus settings, like you can turn on the high brightness mode. We do get the option to customize the alert slider, and here you have 5 actions to choose between. And later here are the settings, or you can say customization options, which comes on CrDroid. So first section we have where you can customize the status bar. For example, you can enable network traffic monitor, and we also have the option to enable colored icon for the notifications in the status bar. You can also enable show notification count. For the battery style, we have many options like hidden, filled circle, dotted circle, icon landscape on the left side, icon landscape on the right side. You can also make changes between the brightness slider. If you want, you can keep it on the top of the quick setting tiles, as you can see here, and we also have the option to shift it towards the bottom side. So here we have an option of small clock. First let me show you the clock size on the lock screen. So here you can see this is the clock size by default, and soon we enable the small clock style on the lock screen, and now you have the clock towards the left top corner. Quite a good add-on if people want a neat lock screen. Double tap to sleep in the status bar works fine, and also double tap to wake on the screen also works fine. You can also play around with the navigation buttons, and there are few options to assign actions for the navigation button. So for example, let's choose an action for long pressing on the back button, and we'll select take screenshot option. So now if you long press on the back button, the device will take screenshot. There we go. You can also make changes between the layout of navigation buttons. Later we get few options to customize the power button, where you can enable end call using power button or long press for the torch on or torch off. Also you guys won't miss out the features like edge lightning. So edge lightning feature have been already added on this custom ROM. For that you have to turn on wake screen for notification, and if you want you can also set custom colors for the edge lightning. And one feature which I personally used to miss on custom ROMs based on Android 12 was this screen off animation. So I personally don't like the default screen off animation. Instead of that, I always used to use CRT and scaling animations for screen off. So this is how these two screen off animations look. This was CRT, and next we have scale. After that, there are a lot of custom fonts pre-installed, so you don't have to download or root your device to have custom fonts. We also have different status bar icon packs followed by icon shapes. Guys, there are tons of customization options, so let's not go through everything. If you guys wish to install, I'm sure you guys gonna like the customization options present on this custom ROM. And for the gaming part, you can also unlock higher FPS in the games. So for example, if your Battleground supports 90 FPS but your device is capable of supporting 90 FPS, you can turn on unlock high FPS in game, then you should get 90 FPS in Battlegrounds Mobile India. So guys, this was all about the latest build of CrDroid, and you guys must have seen how many customization options are present on this ROM. If you have any questions related to this custom ROM, you can follow me on Instagram or Telegram. Both the links will be given in the description below. If you have any questions, then drop me a message there. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.